Hey guys, Steve Darnell here from WelderUp. I got my buddy Paul here from BoneShakers. Look, we're putting on a pre-party for VIVA Las Vegas and the RatCity Rukkus, and we want you guys to come by the WelderUp shop and show us your junk. I mean, we don't care what you bring. Just come over, hang out, have a good time with us. BoneShakers are going to be here with a little bit of music and some food, and they're going to be helping me host this show. So make sure you come by. Afterwards, we're going to drive from here to Vamps at probably 5. So this will start at about 11 and it'll end at about 5. So make sure you come by, hang out, sit in the parking lot. You know, there'll be a lot of business in the front, a little bit of party in the back. So come on and stay and have a good time.
There you go. Bring out all your stuff that you have, anything that's good. Come out and check out Steve's whole shop and all the cars he has.
That's right.
Have a good time.
Come show us your junk.
There you go.